Does market share matter in Glo-Bus? How do you even choose your market share anyways? In 5 tips, let me show you how, fast. Tip number 1, market share is highly linked to image. Imagine you have your new drone in your backyard, trying it out for the first time. Your neighbor peeks his head over the fence and says, "Hey, where did you get that?" You tell him. Which one of the drones is he more likely to buy? It's whatever drone brand he sees more often. Yours. Congratulations. You just discovered the biggest secret of Glo-Bus. Image and market share are linked. Tip number 2. How do you find the market share optimum for your company? The real answer from economics class is to use the profit curves of monopolistic competition. The profit maximizing quantity is where the marginal cost and marginal revenue curves intersect. Yes, the Glo-Bus Champion Club members have done this, but now we have a shortcut. In this exercise, set the price to something really low, like $100 per unit. Then hold the up arrow key on the price and watch your earnings per share here. As you increase the price in that region from really low to really high, you will see the earnings per share go from really low to really high and then start to come back down again. What are you looking for? You are looking for this point here, just before the profits plateau. Type that price into Glo-Bus and hit enter. That is the market share that you should optimize around. Now there's a warning. It is not necessarily the price that you should sell at, but it is the optimum market share. Your market share target for this round. Tip number 3. Now, once you have found the optimal market share that will give you the most profit, you can decide to buy more of it. Why would you want to buy more market share? It's because of image rating again. The more market share you have, the better your image rate. Simply up your market share target. This will make your EPS go down, but your image go up. And if you juice your image rating in the current round by giving your customers more of what they want, you will also juice your future returns. It's because current image affects future sales. Buying market share does have some great benefits, but you have to be careful that you don't overdo it. You see, if all you do is spend all your bread on reducing prices, increasing PQ, and upping your marketing mojo, then what you will eventually have is a price war. In our experience, your Glo-Bus competitors will be fairly tolerant if one company increases its market share over 2 or 3 years. But eventually, your competition will wake up. They'll drive down prices, drive up marketing costs, and reduce profit margins for everyone. That's why we recommend doing a market share push every now and then relaxing to let the market go back to sleep again. Tip number 5. It's the best. It's for those that are pressed for time but still want to do well. Navigate over to the Comparative Competitive Efforts page of your intelligence reports. Find the industry average market share here and double that number. This is your market share target. Now for most, it's a bit of a stretch to get all the way to double the industry average market share in one round. So you may want to instead get there by taking 2 or 3 years to let the market settle after each push. Now for the summary. Number 1, you need market share because it makes image. Number 2, you can find the market share optimum by cycling your price to see where the profit plateau is. Number 3, once you find the optimum market share, consider buying market share to increase your image. Number 4, avoid price wars by doing short market share pushes rather than collapsing the market. And finally, number 5, in a pinch, take steps and shoot for double the industry average market share. I hope you like this content. If so, please like it. If you want the free Glo-Bus forecasting sheet to easily and correctly fill in those pesky red numbers at the bottom of the marketing pages, subscribe and then hit the link in the description.